I want to first acknowledge the recent tragic events at the Law Enforcement Center, where several inmates were injured and one young man in particular, Mr. Briel Jaheen Johnson, died. But sympathy alone is not enough. We all know that.
Macon-Bibb Mayor Lester Miller today announcing a community push to make the jail and the county as a whole a safer place. Hello and thanks for joining us. I'm Frank Malloy.
And I'm Lori Johnson. The mayor laid out what he calls sweeping justice reforms for the facility. He broke down 6 initiatives aimed at addressing core problems behind bars. The first one forms the Macon Justice and Wellness Task Force. The second creates an inmate audit. In the third line of action, leaders will launch a new program called Macon Justice Works.
The county will also create another program for jail-based competency. The fifth initiative expands the In Reach program. And lastly, leaders are starting work on planning for a jail expansion. Carmen Brown is in studio tonight with more on this major shakeup for Bibb County's lockup.
Good evening, Frank and Lori. As Mayor Miller laid out his plan, county leaders and community partners stood shoulder to shoulder, committed to tackling Macon-Bibb's jail crisis together. Later today, I spoke with Commissioner Stanley Stewart, who says these changes are more than about policy. They're about people. Mayor Lester Miller said the time for change is now to fix the county's justice system. He's launching 6 programs designed to tackle Macon-Bibb's jail crisis from every angle. That includes a full audit of every inmate, job training partnerships, and a justice and wellness task force that will bring together law enforcement, mental health experts, and other county leaders.
The programs, cost savings could be incredible, but my hope is to take that cost savings to reinvest that into some of the needs that we need to provide these services.
Miller says it's, quote, not about being soft on crime, but smart and fair. That includes a focus on nonviolent offenders. He says many are stuck in jail simply because they can't make bond.
We must eliminate a 2-tier justice system where individuals who can afford it are at home, while those that cannot are in jail.
Miller also plans to expand their In Reach program that will connect released inmates who need help to job training, mental health support, and addiction treatment. Commissioner Stanley Stewart seconds the approach.
Because they're going to decrease the number as far as population is concerned, which would definitely be a huge improvement.
Miller said 1/3 of their inmates have behavioral health needs. The jail-based competency restoration program will help suspects who aren't competent to stand trial. They'll get treatment and support right inside the jail instead of waiting months or years for a state hospital bed.
We want to make sure we put them back into society and make sure they have a better life. And when we do that, we are creating a better life for all of us across the board.
Now today, the mayor said the county filed a request for qualifications, also known as a RFQ, today to begin planning a jail expansion. He says building a new jail is not off the table, but expanding is the best way to address urgent problems now. The county plans to hire experts to help plan design details and provide cost estimates.